Hi guys, welcome to Rise & Warriors. Today I have got a package from Flipkart. So this is Redmi 5A which I got now itself. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So okay. So I got this on the sale itself. So here's the Redmi 5A box. This time it's red. Last time I think it was black. Yep, it was black. So I purchased a black or you can say a grey version. So it says it's made in India. Great. So it's a grey version, 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of ROM. So the good thing is that it has got a 5-inch display and have got a Snapdragon 425 processor with a 13 megapixel back shooter and front shooter as 5 megapixels. So you can just put either a memory card or a SIM in the second tray. I'll show you. And what else? We have got a 3000 mAh battery, and I think this version is OS version is 7. It's no good. And it ships with MIUI 9, and these are the specs. And what else? We have got everything. So yeah, it doesn't have any fingerprint reader or something like that. So let's go ahead and unbox it. The case looks appealing. It's a great color combination, red and white, so it looks appealing. Scratch this out. Okay, India's #1. Okay, cool. So okay, this is a phone, so we'll keep it on the side. So let's see what else we have got. We have got an instruction manual. Instruction manual. It says SIM card slot, blah blah, and we don't need this. And this is a spec sheet or something like that. No, it's also an instruction manual. Okay, so we have got a USB, normal USB connector. It's not Type C. I thought it was Type C, but I think it's quite big. Yep, the stuff is not good. It was better in Redmi 4A. It was better in that. This is a normal cheap cable. You've got a SIM ejector tool here, and the charger for a 3000 mAh battery. So it is 0.2 ampere. What? Okay. 5 volts output, 0.2 ampere. Okay, this is a power brick. And okay, let's keep aside. What else? Nothing. No, so we don't get any headphones or earphones like that, although it's a budget phone. So this is the phone itself. The speakers are at the back, and you got the on-screen buttons here. So the company has included the protector, screen protector with it also. We can peel it. We don't need this. Come on. Okay. So it's a plasticky type of feel. The material is as usual not good. Although what can you get from this budget phone? It has great specs and all. So I think it's dual flash. So here is the front camera, which is 5 megapixel. This is 13 megapixel. Your speakers, no fingerprint reader or something like that. This is the microphone here, and this is the USB connector for charging. And yes, we have a headphone jack. We have a microphone here also, and this is the IR blaster for controlling TV or anything. It works as a remote. So here we have, these are plastic buttons. Here we have power button and volume up down button. And let me show, there are 2 SIM ejection slots. So let's go ahead. Okay, this is the SIM. I think it comes out. So here is SIM 1, and you can put a card, microSD card in here. I think it's 128 GB, which you can put max 128 GB. This is SIM 1, and this is SIM 2. This is a very nice thing that MI has done with this, that you can put a SIM card and SD card also. So let's boot the device. And both SIMs are 4G LTE enabled, VoLTE enabled. So that's a very nice thing. So let me set up the device for you. So okay, we have got the device ready. So it booted up pretty quick. So I think I have not told you that it got a Snapdragon 425 processor, which is a 64-bit processor. So let me show you the version. It has Redmi 5A. It's Nougat 7.1.2. and security patch. I need to update it. There might be an update. I haven't connected it to the Wi-Fi or anything like that. So that's a 2 GB RAM, and we have got the internal storage only 8 gigs available. So 8 gigs is gone for some reason. So I need to check in with that. Storage, yes. Only 8 gigs is available, and it says 16 gig model, but only 8 gigs is available. Almost 9 gig is available. So that's a con for this phone, that only 8 gigs is available, and God knows where is the 16 gig. It says only 10 gigs, almost 11 gigs are there in this phone. So that's a bad thing. Okay, what else? So let me show you the camera itself. So I don't think it's shutter speed is okay. So it doesn't have any optical image stabilization. So this is the camera at the normal lighting. It's raining here, so the zoom effect, okay, it's laggy zoom effect. It has 8x zoom, so it's not that great camera. It's not that great camera, but although it's a budget phone, so what can you expect? So this was my review for the Xiaomi 5A. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.